Hi guys, so I'm back again with another video. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to spot a fake Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I especially feel that Maybelline Colossal Kajal has a special place in every Indian girl's makeup closet. But I have legit noticed that many sellers, whether it be online or the traditional marketplace sellers, are selling fake Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So here I am with a video to help you guys to not buy a fake Maybelline Colossal Kajal and identify between a fake one and an original one. If you're interested in the video, keep on watching. So as you guys may be able to see that I have two Maybelline Colossal Kajal packaging. One of these packaging is the fake one and one of these packaging is the original Maybelline Colossal Kajal. The packaging looks more or less the same from the front. The only major difference that you can spot is that in one of the packaging the price has been reduced from rupees 200 to rupees 180, and in the other packaging there is a logo which claims that product of the year 2016. So this is one of the major differences that you can notice in the packaging. And when you flip the packaging, like one of bummers is that the original packaging has the holographic kind of thingy, whereas the fake one does not have it, obviously. So the packaging is more or less the same. The only difference that you can spot is that the holograph is there on the original packaging, whereas it is missing on the fake one. Talking about the actual packaging of the kajals, this is how both of the kajals look like. One of them is obviously fake and one of them is the fake one that is on the top has a light yellow color, whereas the original one has like a sunshine bright yellow. Also, when talking about the packaging of the fake one, the packaging is legit very flimsy. As you guys can see, the packaging is very flimsy, whereas in the original one the packaging is quite secure. That is obviously a major trait of the original Colossal Kajals. When I open both the kajals, the original one has the tip protruding. As you guys may be able to see, the tip is protruding, whereas on the fake one the tip is not there, like the pointy edge is not there. This is also one of the way in which you can identify an original Colossal Kajal, is that when you initially open it, there would be the pointy edge, and when you retract it, the retractableness start from this point, and the lowest you can do is that. As in a fake Colossal Kajal, initially when you open it, the tip is nowhere to be seen. You have to retract it to get the kajal out of there. There is talking about the pigmentation of both the kajals. This is the original Maybelline Colossal Kajal and this is the fake one. So I'll swipe both of these for you guys. This is how the original kajal looks like. And now I'll be swiping the fake one. You see there is no pigmentation whatsoever in the fake one, whereas the original Colossal Kajal is jet black in one swipe only. So this is how both the kajals look like. The top one is the original Colossal Kajal and the bottom one is the fake Colossal Kajal. Let's do the smudging and budging test of both these kajals. Original Colossal Kajal is still intact, whereas the fake one has just gone. These are all the points that you need to keep in mind when you are buying a Maybelline Colossal Kajal in India, because there are a lot of fake ones that have come in the market. Whether it be online sellers or traditional marketplace sellers, customers are being cheated as they are given away fake Colossal Kajals. I urge you guys to please head over to your makeup closet and check if your Colossal Kajal is original or fake. And if by chance you have a fake Colossal Kajal with yourself, please don't use it. You don't know about the ingredients of the Kajal and it may harm your eyes. Please don't use the fake ones. And if you have the original Kajal, happy Kajal days! This is all I wanted to talk to you guys in this video. If you guys found this video helpful, please do give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Join the family for more such videos in the future. And until next time, take care guys.